For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline. Air Force Academy conducted a combined graduation parade ceremony at Dundigal in Hyderabad. As many as 123 air warriors, including 19 women officers, were commissioned by the Indian Air Force. The ceremony marks the successful completion of pre-commissioning training of flight cadets of various Indian Air Force branches. The parade was reviewed by Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. The Chief of the Air Staff began the ceremony by paying tributes to the martyrs in the Galwan tussle.
At the outset, please join me in paying tributes to Colonel Santosh Babu and his brave men who made the supreme sacrifice while defending the LAC in the Galwan Valley. Their gallant actions in a highly challenging situation have demonstrated our resolve to protect the sovereignty of our country at any cost.
The newly graduated officers were warmly congratulated for their dedication. Chief of the Air Staff conferred President's Commission to all the 123 cadets. Trophies and coveted wings were presented for the outstanding performers.
Today is a momentous day as I stand here to congratulate 123 graduating officers on successful completion of their training and on being awarded the President's Commission. Congratulations to all the trophy winners for their outstanding performance and to the 11 officers from the Indian Navy and Coast Guard for earning their coveted wings.
This time, parents and family members of the cadets did not attend the passing out parade. This was due to the restrictions imposed by the COVID-19 outbreak. Air Chief Marshal expressed immense gratitude to the parents who encouraged children to join forces. He assured them that their children have transformed into smart and confident officers.
My gratitude to all the proud parents who supported the decision of the awards to join the profession of arms and encouraged them to pursue their dreams with the Indian Air Force. As much as we would have enjoyed your presence on this occasion, we could not do so because we are mindful of the concerns for health due to the pandemic. But let me apprise each and every parent that even though you may not be here to watch the graduation parade, your beloved child has transformed into a young, smart, spirited, and a confident officer.
The Academy had taken sufficient precaution in the wake of raging COVID-19. The Air Chief stated that training methodology was adjusted in order to prevent anyone from getting infected.
As the nation fights the adverse effects of COVID-19 pandemic, IF has taken a number of proactive measures to counter the spread and disruption in our work. We have successfully preserved our combat potential and adjusted our training and operational methodologies to resume virtually full operations.
The graduating Indian Air Force officers will be directly reporting to their assigned squadrons and units. In previous years, the graduates used to be given a break to meet their families.
To the graduating officers, I have this to advise. You have chosen a fine service, one that has a rich cultural heritage and strong traditions built on valor, sacrifice, and toil of generations of air warriors. The newly commissioned IF officers, instead of going home for a break, will be proceeding straight to their next units to shoulder their responsibilities.
The passing out parade was followed by an aerobatic display by Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team. Indian Air Force social media handles broadcasted the passing out parade live online. This is the 205th course of the Indian Air Force Academy of Pre-Commissioning Training of Flight Cadets.